Alright, this is how I do the Dodge Charger all-wheel drive, the front axles. I've seen other videos on YouTube. Me, I disconnect this tie rod, take off the link. To literally disconnect this takes like 2 minutes. I see people playing with this. I don't play with that shit at all because I found it a real pain in the ass to try to pull this down and get that in there, especially with these bolts in there that are tight. I don't even like to play. So anyway, and then I just disconnect it from here, and it's a lot easier to push back down in there. And I just kind of take the pry bar. You can't right now because I only got one hand. But, yeah. But anyway, you just kind of move this out of the way. Like with this, you know, the tie rod disconnected, you could move this thing like everywhere without any problems. The problem you may run into is sometimes to get it out of there on that little ring that you could barely see. Sometimes these axles, they get frozen the fuck on there. If you're trying to do this at home and it's frozen on there, you're gonna have a lot of fun. By a lot of fun, I mean it's really gonna suck. But me, since I have the convenience of working in the shop, I just take my air hammer and I just, you know, hit it through. Now, if you do have a problem with it, what I find is this little ring on here. If you could kind of get this thing off and spray inside there, then that usually helps because then it gets some lube inside there and all that stuff. I've also seen it where if you pop all this shit out, like inside there, there's a little thing in the end. You could actually pop that out from the other end, and then you could spray the WD-40 right through here like that, and that may also help to get it lubed, because a lot of times these things can get really frozen on here at times. But this one wasn't bad. I just took it with a hammer and it was out in like 2 seconds. But yeah, this is how I do it. Maybe it'll make somebody's life easier. Because I found doing it like this, it's a pain in the ass. So I don't touch that at all. So hopefully this will help somebody, and good luck.